Oh, it's going fabulous. I'm enjoying my day, and
Okay.
it's really fun to have. What is the day of today? I forgot actually.
It's Tuesday, 10th May.
It's Tuesday. Wow. I'm not into Tuesday days. I like Thursdays. How about
Why
you?
is what exactly is I mean, what is the logic behind your preference? Why do you like
Ah,
Thursday?
yeah, that's a very good question. You know why? Because Thursday, on Friday, we have a holiday. Ah, by the way,
Oh,
sorry, I'm from Iraq.
all right, that is why that explains. I mean, that is why
Yeah,
I would have understood if you would have told me, Friday night or something, because then you get Saturday, Sunday off. But all right, that makes sense. So you
yeah,
get
the
off on Friday and Saturday and Sunday as well, or just Friday?
Friday and Saturday.
Oh, so you have to work on Sundays.
Yeah, I have to work on Sundays. Yeah.
All right, all right. I've had some learners from Dubai as well. They also told me that they get Friday and Saturday off. So all right,
Yeah. How about the situation there in India?
it's the usual, the weekend, Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, these are the weekend.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
Which part of India do you live?
yes, I will introduce myself. Then you can go next. Okay.
Yeah.
So my name is Shaurya, and I'm currently living in Pune, Maharashtra. That is near to Bombay, in India. What about you?
Awesome. I am Ahmed, and I live in the Middle East, in in a country called Iraq, and
Okay,
I live in the capital of Iraq. It's called Baghdad.
like that. All right, that is nice. So are
Mm.
you from Iraq as well, or are you from some other country?
Y- Yeah, I'm from Iraq.
All right, that is nice. So, okay,
Yeah.
so what motivated you to join this platform?
To just to improve my fluency. I like
Okay,
English, and I like speaking English. So that's why I came here to Clapingo, and I am upset actually because this is literally my last session here on Clapingo.
all right. So, in which
Yeah.
area of English do you think that you need to work on particularly?
Um, I like to actually to improve my fluency through idioms and through expressions because they are the most important part of English language. If you master this stuff, you'll be very good speakers. Speaker,
I
sorry.
mean, you already, I mean, from what I can tell, you have that command over the basic language. You want to just improve the quality of your English, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Yeah.
So,
How
what
about you?
language?
Sorry.
Yes, sorry. You were saying,
I I I was going to ask you about your English. How did you improve your English?
I mean, if to answer, that's a good question. I have
Yeah.
always, when I ever since I was born, I had that English environment at home. My parents spoke to me in English, and my I was always in an English medium school, so I believe that it kind of came naturally to me. And also because I always had an interest in English, like you, I found English very fascinating. So I was very
Uh,
interested in learning the grammar and learning new words and idioms and things like that. That is why.
and have you been to a spoken country, a spoken English country?
And no, I haven't had the opportunity to visit any place outside India yet. I wish to,
Yeah.
but I haven't gotten the opportunity yet.
So, are you planning to go to a spoken English country?
I mean, of course, I wish to travel, somewhere outside, somewhere abroad, whenever I get that opportunity. But yes, right now I'm pursuing my education, so I'm pursuing my graduation. So that is what I'm focusing on.
Awesome. So you're still a student in the college.
Yes, yes, I'm in college. Yes,
What major do you study?
I am pursuing engineering. I'm pursuing civil engineering.
And do you have to speak in English and read in English in your college?
Of course, as I mentioned, my college is also English medium. Again, English is not a subject here, but yes, everything that we study is in English.
In English. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So do you have a bucket list for the countries that you want to visit?
I mean, not yet, because I believe that it's still a very long shot for me. Because I
Yeah.
mean, out of all the other things that I have to deal with right now, I believe traveling is not exactly on that list. But yes, I have watched enough. English movies and shows for me to decide which countries I actually wish to visit. But yeah, I don't even
Yeah,
have a passport yet. So yes, it's a long shot.
but
Right.
you already know in your mind that where you want to go, but you you haven't make up your mind yet.
Exactly. I'm not doing anything about it, but yes, there are some things. Like ever since I started watching shows and movies, I was obviously fascinated.
Yeah.
But yes, I am not exactly working towards it. I am I'm completing my graduation, so I'm going to focus on my higher education and then later getting a job. And after that, maybe I will think about this.
How many years left for graduation
I'm
for
in the
you?
final year. I'm in the final year. I only have around a month left for my graduation, and then after that, I'll go for higher education.
Awesome. Is it 4 years just like here in my country, Iraq?
Yes, BTech is for 4 years, and 4 years, and
four
I'm in the
years.
final semester of final year. So yes,
It's the master. It's up to you. It's up to the person who want to complete the master or not, right?
exactly. There are so many. I mean, obviously, if I wish to get a job afterwards, that is also an option. And if I wish to go for higher education, that is also an option.
And how about you? Do you want to complete your master's degree or you satisfy with the bachelor's degree?
And no, I wish to go for masters. So
Wow.
that is good.
Yeah, definitely.
Right.
It will like take you a long time.
Exactly. Talking about the topic for today, that is advertisement. Right.
Yeah, advertisement. Yeah.
So, I mean, if you had to mention what is the most shocking or what is the funniest advertisement that you've come across?
You know, uh, I don't like to watch these advertisements because it sucks sometimes. Even if I want to watch my favorite movie on YouTube, and then the advertisement uh, shows up all
In
of
the
a
middle.
sudden. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh! Let me complete it. Let me carry on the the video,
exactly.
and then I have to, I have to wait 5 seconds until the advertisement is in. Oh my goodness! So it sucks.
It breaks the vibe. And sometimes it's also like it's mandatory. You can't even skip the ad, right? It's sometimes when it shows like one of three, I lose my mind right there. That I have to watch three ads continuously before I actually get to what I was watching, right? So it's actually pretty annoying. That is true.
It's
Again,
annoying. Yeah.
so do you think that advertisements really they make a major difference if there's a celebrity starring in it?
Yeah. Of course, because you believe in this celebrity. So when the celebrity goes and say something about that product, you will believe that celebrity because you already know this celebrity. But not all the celebrities they say the right things about these products. So
Exactly.
sometimes you have to take the product and fix the product by yourself.
Exactly. But
Yeah.
it makes a huge difference when there's celebrities selling it because the celebrity who's selling, we rely on them. There's again, their fan base is, crazy about whatever it is that they do or they're selling. For example, recently an incident happened, I believe, with the Cristiano Ronaldo. He turned down a bottle of Pepsi that was offered to him, and the next day all the stocks of Pepsi went down because of course Ronaldo has a huge fan base, right? And people are not now they don't want to drink any soda because he said that it's injurious to health, which it is, right?
Uh-huh.
But just because he did it, so it made such a huge impact, right?
Yeah, you have to sometimes uh, to try these things by
Mhm.
yourself,
By yourself.
and yeah, and then you decide whether it's good for you or bad.
Exactly. You have to
Yeah,
make that commitment yourself, right?
yeah, yeah, exactly.
So have you ever bought any product just by looking at its advertisement?
Actually, what? Sorry, repeat the question.
Have you ever bought any product just by looking at its advertisement because you found the ad so fascinating that you just bought it? Has that
Yeah,
ever happened?
yeah.
So
Less than month, I saw a product on Facebook, and
okay.
it really fascinated me. It was about a toy for learning English, and
Okay.
this toy has flashcards, okay,
Okay.
and written on the cards, like for
Mhm.
example, lion, and above the card, lion, and the picture of the
Mhm.
lion. As soon
Okay.
as you put as soon as you put the card into this
Mhm.
machine, the machine
Mhm.
will say lion, and you will hear the sound of the lion. Wow.
Okay. All
So
right.
yeah, so really interesting, and I ordered that toy.
Did you find that effective? Did you actually use that product for a while?
Yeah, and really amazing for my English and for my kids because
Of
I'm
course.
teaching them English through these cards.
Of course. So it's only
Yeah,
applicable with animals, right?
sorry.
So it's only applicable with animals, right? Because it makes that sound of the animal.
Yeah, but not just animals. It has 200 cards. So yeah, it's separated to categories.
Oh,
For example, machines, like kitchen stuff,
mm-hmm.
cars. For example, like
That's great.
ambulance.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's
Yeah,
innovative. Right.
amazing. Yeah, definitely.
Right. All right. So what language do they usually speak in Iraq?
Uh,
Like what is the
uh,
basic?
yeah, the official language here is Arabic and Kurdish.
All right. Okay. So English is like the third language there.
I mean, yeah, we speak English just in the schools and at certain institutes, but
Okay.
yeah, we commonly speak in Arabic.
All right. Okay. So okay. Anyway, so we are towards the end of our session. So is there something you want to ask me before I get to my feedback?
I just want to thank you and thank all my Clapingo tutors for this journey. I enjoyed a lot for the whole month. Actually, you
All right.
guys, Indian guys, are awesome, and you have a beautiful smile on your faces all the time, and you have the best English ever that I have ever had in my life with my friends or tutors.
All
So
right.
I really
That means
admire your hard work here on Clapingo.
all right. I hope it also helped you along with the enjoyment.